Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, madam.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you, madam.
Let us sit down.
Thank you, madam.
So we want to start our today's lesson. The today's lesson is about clockwise and anticlockwise quarter turns. Can we read the heading, everybody?
Clockwise and anticlockwise quarter turns.
So it is clockwise and anticlockwise quarter turn. So before we look at the quarter turn today in the clockwise and anticlockwise direction, I want us to remind ourselves of what we were learning yesterday. So yesterday we were looking at the clockwise and anticlockwise half turn. So we were moving in the clockwise direction or anticlockwise direction using the half turn, but today is a quarter turn. So we could draw our compass like this yesterday. Look on the blackboard, everybody. Here we have north, south, west and east. Then you are told to move a quarter turn, a half a turn, maybe in the clockwise direction. So clockwise direction, we are moving like that. So when you are standing at north and you are making a half a turn in the clockwise direction, you will move like this, then you find yourself there. So where are we facing now?
South.
So when you make a half a turn in the northwards direction, in the clockwise direction, you will be facing south. Then good, another example is here. Maybe somebody is standing at west, then you are being instructed to make a half a turn in the anticlockwise direction. So you know that when you are moving in anticlockwise direction, you move that way. You are standing here in the west, instructed to make a half a turn in the anticlockwise direction. So you stand in the west, then you move anticlockwise like that. That is a half a turn. Where are we facing now?
East.
So if you make a quarter turn in the anticlockwise way, when you are facing north, you will find yourself in the eastward direction. So that is what you are doing yesterday. Today it is not something very much different. Instead of making a half a turn like yesterday, we are just going to do the same, moving in clockwise and anticlockwise direction, but making a quarter turn. Can you say quarter turn?
Quarter turn.
Everybody?
Quarter turn.
So if I may show you an example here. So I draw that compass like that. Then somebody instructs you to make a quarter turn in the anticlockwise direction. I want to start with the anticlockwise direction. We know very well anticlockwise, you move in that direction. So I am standing at the north point. I want to make a half a turn in the anticlockwise direction. So here is the north, anticlockwise like that. Then I'm standing here. Where am I facing?
West.
So if you make anticlockwise direction standing in the north, you are facing now the west. Another example here. I want to make a clockwise direction. Can you say clockwise direction?
Clockwise direction.
I choose for me any direction. Where do you want me to stand from?
West.
Yes?
Yes.
Most of the people want us to stand from the west. We want now to make the clockwise direction, and it is a half a turn. So clockwise direction, we move like this. We are standing at the west, clockwise direction, a half turn. So we move like this. Where are we facing?
North.
We are facing at the north. So I want one person to come and make for me that movement. Let me draw it here for you. From south come and make a quarter turn. A quarter turn in the clockwise direction from south. Who will come and try? Abdi Malik, you will be standing at the south. Make a clockwise direction, a quarter turn. Has he gotten it? Yes. So the clockwise direction is like this. So he has moved from south and now he is facing west. That is good. Another person to come. This time should be a girl. Standing at the east. Moving in the anti-clockwise. Somebody to come, a girl now. Any girl to come and stand in the east, make a quarter turn anti-clockwise. Quarter turn anti-clockwise. Anybody? Boys, who is ready if the girls are sleeping? Yes, Mahmoud. Areda. East. You stand at the east, make anti-clockwise direction, a quarter turn. Anti-clockwise. You stand at the east, make anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. Write the answer. Nandikaje notes. Good. That is good. So let us look at what she's doing. She's standing at the east and the clockwise direction. So the answer is north. She's written there north. She has gotten it right. Everybody is now able to do that, eh? Take out your books. I want to give you one. Now you do it in your books, eh?